And we are back, ladies and gentlemen! Bitcoin is currently trading at approximately $97,000, showing some bearish momentum in the last couple of days. After a significant rally, we are looking at the 6-month chart here. The price has rejected this $104,000 level, indicating strong resistance. Why is it saying 108,000? Did we reach that? Maybe we did. Maybe I missed that. But I thought the all-time high was 104,000. Can someone look into that? What if you are that someone? I think you are that someone. Alright. Oh shit. I guess we did have the spike to 108,000. Excuse my language. The chart is valid, ladies and gentlemen. The chart is valid. Anyways, you see this major support zone right here around $92,000. This level is likely to see some buyer interest as previous corrections have bounced from this region. Closer to 96,000, we have a secondary support zone. A break below 96,000, I would guess, would lead to testing that $92,000 level. Those would be the key support levels. Now on the flip side, key resistance levels, I'm looking at $104,000. This region has acted as a major resistance level. Below 104,000, we've been bouncing. Beyond 104,000, we've been very rarely brief moment in time. And beyond that, the next resistance is at 108,000. And then I would say 112,000, which represent a psychological barrier, as well as for that 108,000, the previous all-time high. The blue line here is the moving average, the SMA. Bitcoin's current price is trading below this blue line, indicating bearish sentiment in the short term. That is right. That is right. I know the bulls don't want to hear that, but the bears are still in control at this moment in time. I don't think that is much of a surprise to many of you. I just don't. Let's do some quick volume analysis. A noticeable spike in trading volume during the early rally does suggest strong participation from buyers. However, recent volume does seem to taper off during this correction, indicating the sell-off may lack conviction. Market trend on this chart at least does show some sort of uptrend from late October through early December. The current pullback, in my opinion, does show a consolidation phase. A break above 104,000 could continue upward momentum, while a break below 92,000 could trigger a deeper correction. Let's take a quick look at the official technicals while we go into the oscillator analysis. Okay, shown here are oscillators like the RSI and MACD, which in general are showing, well, MACD is showing a sell. The oscillators on the whole are neutral. The bull-bear power is a buy, but the oscillators are showing neutral conditions. This indicates that perhaps not overbought or oversold on the 1 day for Bitcoin. For price action, Bitcoin seems to be entering a neutral phase after rejecting that $104,000. The moving averages, however, are showing a buy. That is some bearish divergence. Watch for Bitcoin's behavior around the 96,000 support zone. A break below 96,000 could see us retesting that 92,000 level. However, on the flip side, a break above 104,000 could resume the bullish trend. staying below the SMA would suggest bearish short-term momentum. So I would see us getting over this blue line, which we are currently over the SMA. So that does indicate to me, at least, that we have bullish short-term momentum for the short term, at least. Caution is advised. Still, this is just a speculative outlook for this discussion, focusing on short-term movements. We could also look at some broader trends. Whoa. Ugly chart, man. Let's reset that view. Okay, so we are looking here at the 5-year chart. Still teetering at these all-time high levels on the 5-year. This is a much rosier picture, in my humble opinion. For long-term trends, we do see increased institutional adoption as well as acceptance in the crypto mainstream, including the ETFs, companies such as Microstrategy and others adopting a Bitcoin strategy. Bullish comments from the incoming administration, including a new SEC president. The outgoing chair was quite unpopular amongst a large segment of the crypto community, and all this has led to bullish sentiment teetering at near all-time highs. We gotta see if this bullish trend can continue on the long term. If there is a smooth transition to the new administration, and if favorable tailwinds continue to push Bitcoin to higher highs, then the long-term outlook does look bullish, one man's opinion. However, keep in mind we did just discuss the short term, which is much more neutral. I think we can leave it at that for today. December 20th, holiday time. So